Hello, Kuki people or KUKILAND, guys. So, peace from Africa. I'm here with
Muhib Nadam Namu.
Madam Namo. This is Gabs Gabi, Sepai Kale Move Kuki people. So, today we have one suggested. It's a new music video, guys, by the title KUKILAND. Tracy, we reacted to Tracy. I don't know if you were there with me. I think it was Samsona. You were not there, but she's a good singer and she's so famous and she's promoting peace and
Wow.
with her music and amazing songs and beautiful voice. She's so talented. Just know that. Tracy, guys. TRACY GANGTE. Peace from Africa. Love you all, guys. Wishing you all the best.
You guys
And
subscribe.
don't forget to
Like.
subscribe, guys. Thank you. Let's check this one out. KUKILAND. TRACY. Sponsored. Moite. It isn't sponsored. Who paid to make this music video. Special
Their
thanks.
manager.
Special thanks to all these guys here.
Ukagam ngayon, kung tawin sa mga lalson.
City. And this is the place belong to Kuki people only. So yeah, they're staying up on the mountain. See their place are really like that. Most of them they're staying in this land. They don't want to lose this land. That's why they are also fighting. Beautiful natural place.
Salvang katanaw gamwa leplo se inka kungai singui tanggam le phai tualin pa bang hulu singin wal hoi pa bang elo
about like they use it for cultivation.
Sai khan ka ne bui lagam di unki hey in la lengam itna ami zatam ale somle ale zate one thinu zing ko mi oh kangai zatam le na kukile
KUKILAND, I want to read one. It say, O ka name zatam lena KUKILAND. Oh, what does it mean, guys? O ka nge zatam lena KUKILAND. And then next one is O ka it's a term Vankwa KUKILAND.
Are you sure that you are pronunciating?
Yeah, they will understand it. If they know the O word, they will know it, guys. But this song is basically dedicated for the KUKILAND.
That you should keep your land, you should fight for your land.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, there is no English subtitle, guys.
But
Yeah.
I understand.
But me, I'm a big fan of her, Tracy, guys. It's not my first time reacting to her. I reacted to one of her song by the title Tisan Tisan. Tisan Tisan was amazing, guys, and I started like I know most of people watching from Kuki, they also like her.
In case if you put subtitle, it will be amazing.
Yeah, it will be beautiful, right?
Yeah.
She has had a song with English subtitle also, but the title is KUKILAND. So basically, the song is expression of the land,
Yeah.
the beautiful place, the city, the nature, and you can see most of their place. It's a hilly place,
Yeah,
and this is how they also make money out from their own land by cultivation,
Yeah.
because they have natural place, guys. They always cultivate there, and yeah, they are safe in that place, and they are so happy to own and to be proud for their own land where their ancestors gave them, and they don't want to lose this land. And it is one of the problem also. They are fighting for their land.
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. Thank you so much, guys. We are wishing you all the best.
Peace.
Peace, wishing
Unity.
peace for the KUKILAND, unity, prosperity,
Love.
love from Africa. Till next time.